Now the next important topic, hanging. Hanging is suspension of a person from a string or a rope by tying it around the neck. Hanging is a form of asphyxial death where a ligature is tied around the neck and the body is suspended. Body is suspended by ligature tying around the neck, and his own weight acts as constricting force. So this is important and it distinct from strangulation. Hanging is constricting of the neck by own weight of the body when the rope or any string has been tied around the neck and body is suspended. It is constricting by his own weight. And it can take place in any position and in any level, because when we study about the weight which is required to compress the vasculature, to compress the air passages, that is much less than the weight of the body. Even 2 kg weight is required just to occlude the veins, 8 to 10 kg to occlude the carotid vessels. So weight is much less than the weight of the body to occlude them. So in any position from any level can cause hanging. And this is important that the weight or the pressure should be sufficient enough to occlude the vasculature structure or the air passages. And the vasculature structure, they are the vein and the carotid vessels. And death has been observed as low as door knobs, the bed knobs, and even the cloth hooks.